When I made that commitment to want to do GMAT, I evaluated different courses, and what made me choose the class here was actually just one line on Sandeep's website and the feedback which everybody else also provides. In terms of, Sandeep says, give me 360 hours and I'll give you a 760. That statement is accurately true because Sandeep's broken down the GMAT to a T, to the extent where he knows every trick in the book, he knows what you can expect of the exam, and he transforms that knowledge to you in an easy, capsuled way, to the extent that when you go in to write the exam, you are absolutely prepared to get a 760, just so long as you've put in all of that effort and you've learned or understood and practiced everything in the way he has told. A lot of the techniques which he teaches, a lot of the methods of solving, a lot of ways to approach different problems are extremely unique because he's realized that you have very little time to solve very tricky problems. They may not be the most difficult problems, and within a short span you need to find out the trick and solve the answer quickly, and you will learn that. And I learned that very quickly just with practice, just by following what was taught in class and putting in the effort for each class. And to put that effort before every class during your self-prep period, I noticed a gradual improvement, just in the way I thought, just in the way I approached each question, and that kept improving until I wrote the GMAT. And the class is structured in a way that you pick up the knowledge and the speed to be able to really attack the GMAT, because that's what you will have to do to get a 750 plus score. There isn't a course better than here because of the mentality and the approach here. Everybody here talks about getting a 750, whereas that may not be the case everywhere, and that mentality around you tends to seep into you, wherein that when I got a 750, I wasn't overly enthused over it because I realized I made a few mistakes in my GMAT. And that's the kind of confidence and mental training and expectation that you build up just because, or that I built up just because I was a part of the class here. And I don't think I would have gotten that kind of expectation of anywhere else.